In this example, I'll show you how to open up a QlikView document, export the layout into a folder, which can then be checked into VSS, and then later how you can then check out that folder, create a new QVW based on the contents of the exported document layout from the first QVW. I'm going to skip the VSS portion of this. I'm going to show you basically how to export and then import. VSS we talked about in a separate area, and most people are familiar with that already. First, let's open up QlikView and open up a QlikView document. In this case, we'll use the Meta Monitor application. Now that we have a complete QVW opened up, it has script, it has layout, it has objects, sheets, list boxes, reports, and so forth. I'll go to the File menu, choose Export, and then Document Layout. When you export, you want to create a folder specifically for this application to hold all the different XML objects that make up the application. This includes the script, the sheets, and every object within the QlikView document. So if the folder doesn't exist, be sure to create one, and QlikView will then export all the objects into that folder. Now that we exported all of the document layout and all the objects, let's close the application and go into Windows Explorer and look at the folder and the contents that got created. Now we can see the folder and all of the XML objects that got created. So this whole folder can be checked into a source control program like VSS, and if you have multiple versions of this document layout, you can compare and do differentials on the files. In this case, I'm just kind of showing you all the files and that they have a certain size, that there's actually data in each of these different object files. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a new QlikView document and create the contents from this existing export. Okay, now I'm creating a new QlikView document with nothing in it. I'm just doing File, New, and then I'm doing a Save As and saving this QlikView document with no script, no sheet objects, no other objects, and saving it to my local directory. Now that I created a new document, all I need to do is create a copy of the project folder from my original document with all of the objects, and make sure the folder is named with the name of our new QVW. So I created a QVW called meta2.qvw. So I'll rename or copy the project folder from our original Meta Monitor application and call it meta2-prj. Now that I've created a meta2-prj folder, I can open up my new document, the blank one we created called Meta2, and QlikView will automatically import all of the objects from the Meta2-PRGA folder and create, in essence, the same document that was originally exported into the Meta-PRJ folder. When I did the original export, QlikView saved not only the script but also all of the layout. So now that I've created a new file from my export, I can simply hit reload and pull data back into my new application.